First, we'll be looking at the kerfing kit that I bought from Loon Lake Tool Works recently to add to my Stanley No. 50 combination plane. This plane was purchased at the Woodwright School liquidation sale back in July of last year, and so I'm looking forward to be able to use this with this new upgrade. Anyway, let's get started. So let's go ahead and assemble the kit to my number 50. First, you start with the plane blade, the saw blade. You slide it on, and then you get the backing plate and slide it on. And you add the skate third. This allows you to secure everything together with the washer and the screw. So you just go ahead and put that on there. Yeah, I bought this so that I could start making resawing some of my wider materials. Here I'm adding the fence, and this will be adjusted to whatever width you need your saw cut. And then the last thing is to put on the depth stop. I don't really use that on this particular video, but I'm sure it's going to be handy later on. So there you go. Here you see me flipping the board over, and I'm going to cut from the other side just to make sure that my saw track's true. So the next thing we need to do is to plane and joint this edge here on this panel for the top. So the good thing is this is removable. Allows me to clamp. Right now I don't have dog holes drilled, so I have to. That's one of the things I plan on doing in the near future, but for right now, that's just to keep my clamp from racking. Sliding dead man would be the thing to do, and that's yet another project you'll get to see me do on this channel. All right. This is my Stanley Bedrock 605. Now we're just trying to adjust it to get a fairly light cut. I'll get my joiner out here in a minute to make sure that this is jointed properly. I'm just cleaning it up right now with the 605. What's really good about that kerfing plane, it leaves me a sort of high spot where I'm sawing, so I can see when I get down to my saw cut. Check it, make sure that I'm square. That looks good. That's looking good. Yep, looking good. So it's square, but is it flat? This is a homemade straight edge. It looks like we're got a dip right in there, so that's a high spot on that end. So we'll concentrate on that side. Now I can tell there's some ridging here, so we gotta get down past that anyway. We're almost there. Still a little high on that side. Now I'm going to take a continuous pass all the way down. And look at that shaving. It's not very, it's a little thicker than probably I need, but it's a continuous shaving, which means that I have a good, okay, I see it, still see a little light here, but we're almost to the flat. So I have a Lake Erie Tool Works blade in here, and this is a Magna Cut blade. Oh my gosh, those are wonderful blades. I can't say enough good things about them. Namely, they take an edge and keep an edge for a long time. I really like using this steel. And that, my friends, is flat and straight. And let's check it again, make sure it's square. It will join. I've listed the tools I've used in this video in the description if you want to check that out. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy shavings!